Google's new function, Gemma, is insane. Your phone just became an AI assistant that works completely offline. No internet needed, no cloud connection. Google just dropped Function Gemma, and it changes everything. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what this model does, why it matters, and the real numbers that prove it actually works. You're sending your personal data to the cloud every single time you use AI. You're waiting for responses when your phone could answer instantly. Not anymore. Function Gemma is Google's newest model, and it's completely different from what you've been using. This thing runs entirely on your phone. You speak to your phone and it executes real actions. Turn on the flashlight, create a calendar event, send an email, add a contact, all locally on your device. This isn't some demo feature either. Google released this as open source. You can download it right now from Hugging Face or Kaggle, and I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know. Let me break down exactly how this works. Google took their Gemma 3 model and created a specialized version called Function Gemma. It has 270 million parameters. That's small, really small compared to most AI models. But that's the point. This model runs entirely on your phone. No internet needed, no cloud connection. You speak to your phone and it executes real actions instantly. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Every time you use Siri or Google Assistant right now, your voice goes to a server. That server processes it and sends back a response. Your data is traveling across the internet. You're waiting for that round trip. Function Gemma eliminates all of that. Everything happens on your device. Your data never leaves your phone. And the speed difference is wild. Google published the actual numbers, and they're insane. The base model starts at 58% accuracy for function calling. After you fine-tune it for your specific use case, accuracy jumps to 85%. That's the same accuracy as models 10 times bigger. Google proved this with their mobile actions evaluation. The model learned to understand requests like create a reminder for Friday at 2 p.m. After fine-tuning, it got 85% of these commands exactly right. The speed is what blows my mind. Function Gemma processes about 50 tokens per second on your phone. No network delay, no server processing time. It just works instantly. Think about what this means for your business. You could build an AI assistant for your team that works even when the internet goes down. You could create customer service tools that respond instantly without any cloud delays. You could automate tasks on mobile devices without worrying about data privacy or security breaches. This is the kind of technology that's changing how we think about AI deployment. We're not just talking about cool demos anymore. We're talking about real-world applications that solve actual business problems. And the best part is that it's open source, which means you can customize it for your exact needs. You can train it on your specific commands. You can make it understand your business language. You can deploy it across your entire organization without paying per API call. Now, if you want to dive even deeper into AI automation, I've got something special for you. I run a community called the AI Profit Boardroom, the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation. Learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools, like Google's new Function Gemma. The link is in the comments and description. It's at school.com/AI Profit Lab. Google showcased 2 demos in their AI Edge Gallery app. You can download this from Google Play Store and test Function Gemma yourself right now. First demo is Tiny Garden. It's a voice-controlled game that runs completely offline. You tell it to plant sunflowers in the top row or water specific plots. Function Gemma translates those commands into game functions locally, all happening on your device. Second demo is Mobile Actions. This is the practical one. Function Gemma controls your phone's operating system. Tell it to show a location on the map, turn on Do Not Disturb, send a text, all through natural language, all offline. Now let me tell you why this matters for privacy. Your calendar events, contacts, and messages never leave your device. You're not sending sensitive information to company servers. Everything stays local. Think about the implications here. If you're running a business, you're probably dealing with sensitive customer data every single day. Email addresses, phone numbers, purchase history, private conversations. Every time you use a cloud-based AI tool, you're potentially exposing that data to third parties. With Function Gemma, that risk disappears. Your data stays on your device. Nobody else can access it, nobody else can store it, nobody else can analyze it. This is huge for businesses in regulated industries, healthcare companies dealing with patient data, financial services handling sensitive transactions, legal firms managing confidential case information. These businesses need AI tools, but they can't risk data breaches. Function Gemma gives them a solution. You get the power of AI without the privacy risks. Now, let's talk about how fine-tuning works, because this is where Function Gemma becomes really powerful. Google released a dataset called Mobile Actions on Hugging Face. Each entry has a user prompt and the expected function call. For example, turn on the flashlight gets matched with the exact function call format. You take this dataset and fine-tune Function Gemma on it. Google provides step-by-step instructions. After fine-tuning, your model becomes specialized for your specific commands. This is key. Small models need specialization. Function Gemma won't compete with GPT-4 on general knowledge, but fine-tune it for a specific task, and it matches much larger models on that task. That's the secret. Let me give you a practical example of how this could work for a business like the AI Profit Boardroom. Imagine you want to create a mobile assistant that helps members access training materials, schedule coaching calls, and track their progress. You could fine-tune Function Gemma to understand commands like, show me the latest AI automation training, book a strategy call for next Tuesday, or check my course completion status. The model would learn exactly how to handle these requests and execute them locally on the member's phone. You'd start by creating a data set of all the commands your members might use. Each command gets paired with the exact function that should run. Then you fine-tune Function Gemma on this data set. After training, the model understands your specific business context. It knows your terminology. It knows your workflows. It knows how to help your members get things done faster. Google tested this on a Samsung S25 Ultra. The model handled 512 tokens of context and generated 32 tokens output running on the phone's CPU. No GPU needed. Low latency for real-time interaction. Small memory footprint. This is production ready. You can deploy this today. And because it's open source, you can modify it for your exact use case. You own the deployment. You're not dependent on a third-party API. The technical specs matter here because they tell you what's actually possible. 512 tokens of context means the model can remember about 400 words of conversation history. That's enough for most command and control tasks. The 32 token output means responses are concise and focused. You're not getting long paragraphs. You're getting actionable results. Running on the phone CPU is critical because it means you don't need specialized hardware. Most phones from the last few years can run this model. You don't need the latest flagship device. You don't need external GPU acceleration. The model is optimized to run efficiently on standard mobile processors. Now, if you want to dive even deeper into AI automation, I've got something special for you. I run a community called the AI Profit Boardroom, the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation. Learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like Google's new Function Gemma. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 40,000 members who are crushing it with AI. The link is in the comments and description. It's at school.com/AI Profit Lab.